Are you tired of battling eczema or sensitive skin that constantly feels dry, itchy, or irritated? I know, right? In today's video, I will be sharing the best natural science-backed ingredients that can help soothe and heal eczema-prone skin without using any steroids or harsh chemicals. Hi everyone, welcome back to NG Styles Natural Beauty Tips. If you love learning about skincare remedies that actually works, then you are in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video, okay? And before we continue, I will love to give a shout out to the most engaged audience members and top commenters. Shout out to Ifeyinwo Osigwe and Sonji Kobat. Thank you guys so much for your amazing support. You know I love you more. Alright, now let's dive right into. Okay, we are going to start with colloidal oats, which is number 1 on the list. Colloidal oats is one of the most natural treatments for eczema. Colloidal oatmeal is packed with beta-glucans and antioxidants that calm inflammation, reduce itching, and lock in moisture. It forms a thin protective barrier over your skin, which helps prevent dryness and flare-ups. You can find it in natural creams, shower gel, or you can even add the finely ground oats to your bath for a soothing soak. Then next on our list is sea moss, which is often called nature's mineral miracle. Yes, it's loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and K, plus zinc and sulfur, which help heal and hydrate your skin. Sea moss strengthens your skin barrier and keeps the skin moisturized for hours. Try using sea moss gel as a gentle face or body mask anytime you feel that itchy or irritation. It will help calm the irritation and restore your skin balance. Then, number 3 ingredient is shea butter, one of Africa's most powerful gifts for healthy skin. Shea butter is rich in vitamins A and E and fatty acids that help your skin repair and stay soft. It deeply nourishes without clogging pores or causing irritation. For best results, apply unrefined shea butter on damp skin right after bath or shower. It seals in moisture and prevents eczema. Or you can also use it and make body butter, or try the body butter we have on this channel and see the results. Then next is aloe vera. Aloe vera is the ultimate skin soother. It's naturally cooling, anti-inflammatory, and helps heal damaged skin. Apply aloe gel daily on dry or irritated areas. It reduces that redness and keeps your skin hydrated and calm and cool. That's why I love it. Don't forget honey. Honey is the next ingredient, especially the raw honey or manuka honey. It's antibacterial and helps heal small skin cracks caused by eczema. It also locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft and smooth. Just apply a thin layer on affected areas. Leave it for about 15 minutes or so and then rinse gently. You will come back here and thank me, okay? And finally, let's not forget natural oils. Oils like jojoba, coconut, calendula oil can make a big difference. They restore the skin's natural barrier, fight inflammation, and keep your skin hydrated. Massage a few drops on damp skin, okay? Make sure your skin is damp after shower. Massage a few drops on your damp skin, or you can mix them with your daily moisturizer. I do that especially this season. When this weather is drying up, I always add oil in my moisturizer before applying to my skin. Remember, healing eczema takes consistency, okay? Avoid harsh soaps, long hot showers, and fragrance products that strips your skin's natural oils, okay? Stick with gentle, nourishing ingredients. You're looking for a ready-to-use solution with all these natural ingredients in it. I will always recommend you to try the Style Secret Eczema Relief Kit. It is formulated with colloidal oats, sea moss, shea butter, aloe vera, and everything your skin needs to stay calm, hydrated, and healthy. So if you are suffering from eczema, you don't have time to make yours, you can go check it out. You can find it now at Style Secret Beauty's website. The link is in the description. So check the link in the description of this video to go check it out, okay? And let me know in the comments if you want me to share a formula using any of these ingredients I mentioned here, okay? Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who struggles with eczema. And guys, don't go yet. I have a big announcement. We have giveaway coming up on this channel very soon. It's going to happen November. It's my birthday month, and I'm going to do a giveaway, okay? So stay tuned and stay glued to this page, okay? Thank you guys for watching today's video. Remember, if you have any question, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section, okay? See you guys in my next one. Stay naturally beautiful. Bye.